All right, we are here in the Dead River. We just left the Oclockney River on our way to Sopchoppy River and a round trip to home. We are using the 55-pound thrust Newport Vessels, and we did have the sail up on the way here, 7.5 miles or so. So we motor sailed with one battery that's a cranking battery, wasn't even a deep cycle. I just switched over to a deep cycle battery, and we put the deck planking down, and there's stuff underneath the decking, all kind of crap that was on board is under there, and we were bringing along a Expandacraft paddlecat with the Vaquita motor. But I think I'm going to find a beach if I can, and I'm going to test out that Vaquita motor if I can get it to fit up to the stern of the canoe. Expandacraft 16-foot 9-inch outrigger canoe. Sorry for the wind noise, folks, but you can see I'm on setting number 4 of 5, and we're moving along probably 3.5-4 knots or miles per hour. About that, I think, is what the GPS was reading, is miles per hour. And I think that's about all you really want to do on a boat like this. 5 or 6 miles an hour is plenty. You know, it's not a planing hull speedboat. Then again, when you're in a place like this, you don't want to hear the engine. It's a slight little hum. Stay tuned as Expandacraft and subscribe, because we're going to test out, I've got on order a 65-pound thrust brushless motor, which should be more efficient and more powerful. What do we got here? Oh, we got a duck. He doesn't know that it's duck season. Hi, duck. Go away, fly away. Expandacraft.com. Don't forget to subscribe.